this video, we will review the UW Green Bay Wings portal. The Wings portal is a go-to resource for first-year transfer and re-entry students from the time you are admitted to UW Green Bay until you enroll in and begin classes. This short video is intended to help you make the most of the Wings portal. To access Wings, visit uwgb.edu/admitted. You will need to set up your system account with UW Green Bay. Please consult the information in your admissions packet and visit uwgb.edu/account for a step-by-step guide. Select Access the Wings portal. Then, using your username and password, you will log into Wings. Let's take a tour to review what resources are available. If you have decided that UW Green Bay is where you plan to enroll, we encourage you to update your commitment status. Select the green button at the top of your Wings screen to let us know you plan to attend UW Green Bay. On the home screen, you will see your to-do list. This list of items guides you through recommended and required next steps toward your enrollment, like visiting campus, exploring housing options, applying for financial aid, applying for scholarships, and signing up for advising and GB orientation. By clicking on these items, you can view more information about the action step, and you will find a link to more information, applications, or forms. Under the Groups tab, you can connect with other admitted students. You can view each of the available groups and select into groups that apply to you. Like a social media page, these groups are your opportunity to introduce yourself, chat with future classmates, and receive some notices and reminders. Under the Events tab, you can view all of the campus visit options available to you. Scheduling your campus visit through the Wings portal is a streamlined process. Take a look at the visit descriptions and select the registration option to see all available dates and times. Then you'll provide a few more details and submit your request. We would love to see you on campus for a tour. For admitted first-year students, you can keep an eye out for admitted student visits in winter and spring. You might have a number of questions on your mind. We can help. On your home screen, you'll see an option for Meet with my admissions counselor. You can submit a question or topic to your admissions counselor and indicate how you'd like to connect, using email, phone, text, or a meeting virtually or in person. Your assigned counselor will be in touch with you to follow up on your questions. Maybe you're interested in connecting with a current student. Select the Meet with a Current Student option, where you can indicate what you'd like to chat about and how you'd like to connect. If your contact information has changed from what you provided in your application, we encourage you to update your information with us. Review your contact information along the right column. If you need to update, select Yes and Next and provide the needed updates. Lastly, you can review the quick links to some of the most frequently visited info for admitted students. We encourage you to check it out. We hope that the Wings portal is a helpful resource from the time you are accepted to UW Green Bay until you enroll in classes. If you have problems accessing the Wings portal or other questions about UW Green Bay, please call 920-465-2111.